all the ingredients that you will need for the Waldorf salad. Start by coring and dicing an apple. Next, dice some celery thinly. I use Concord grapes, so I added them in whole because they're smaller, but usually you would cut them in half. I added pumpkin seeds instead of walnuts for a nut-free option. 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 of mustard, 1 of lemon juice. Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir it up. Add it to your mixture. And here's the final product served over a bed of greens.